The boss finally meet him general, you know? The great McDope finally meet the boss. You see it? So see the people. This is the great McDope, the general I give boss a piece of food. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Bounty Killer Challenge.
Yeah. Don't feel like it's a false pretense. You see the people? Real 50G, the great McDope. You hear that? Finally meet the artist. Alright, which artist is your favorite artist?
Bounty Killer.
Alright, give me a Bounty Killer.
Alright, me nature. Amen, so let it be.
Why not?
I want the girl them until me day.
Yeah!
Woman is everything
Thing I need. That's why. Bit or not. Why not?
Because the girl
Them a ride with nature. See my going night, you know? Why not?
but when me say, get the water, every man walk around you. When you pass, man, walk in over who you are. Deep and nice things, them want to tell you. Them want to tell us, that them want to be a hero.
Yeah!
Tell us, pick up, pull in a dear officer thing.
Yeah!
Like time me love how your parents are good.
Yeah!
All of me love and affection me show.
Yeah!
Who come to tell me them the things me the show.
Yeah!
From your what over me want.
That's why. Them a ride with nature.
Amen, so let
Killer for post this. Money now though. See it, Killer just give boss on 50 pack. What me them here no dope, man? Yeah, man. Yeah. Long time I don't hold them money, I don't dope.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Calm down there, move so fast though. Yeah, 50 pack.
49 this.
A 49, you know code good man, a 50 man. Yeah, why general finally meet him general, you know? From a general to a general, is it?
And congratulations to everybody who participated.
Sure.
But tell you what, it's all about the views.
Sure.
And this man, he got the views.
Yeah.
So he made the news.
He make the news. See there again, dope. Big up the general again. Yeah, man. You know.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.